Setting up a Genius graphics tablet and have GFH settings files for configuration. These contain customized tablet configurations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Genius tablet settings files. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor GFH corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. A GFH file stores user-configured settings for Genius G Pen series graphics tablets, such as the F610 model. This file saves personalized preferences like pen pressure sensitivity, button assignments, and macro keys, allowing users to back up their custom workspace setup or transfer it to another computer. This is a proprietary binary file designed to be compact and quickly parsed by the tablet's driver software. The binary structure prevents easy manual editing, protecting the integrity of the settings and ensuring they are only modified through the official configuration utility provided by the manufacturer. We recommend using Genius Tablet Software by KY Systems Corp. To ensure proper reading of GFH. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows may show the structure, but only knowledgeable users should modify configuration entries. To unlock the data, right-click the GFH file and select Open With. Test Genius Tablet software if available. If it's absent, choose another program. We must determine which app can properly read the header. If the GFH file won't budge, stay calm. Errors with the GFH format usually come down to a small critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, importing in Genius driver. Install the Genius tablet driver software from the Genius website. Open the tablet configuration utility and use the import settings option to load the GFH file. The settings apply to your tablet immediately, enabling pressure curves, button mappings, and other configurations from the imported file. Next, backing up configurations. Export your current tablet settings to GFH files before making changes or when migrating to a new computer. The Genius driver utility includes export functionality, preserving your customized tablet behaviors. Store backups in cloud storage or on a USB drive for easy restoration after system reinstallation or driver updates. Finally, manual editing. GFH files may be text-based depending on Genius driver version. Open in Notepad++ to inspect contents though, direct editing is risky. Configuration changes through the proper driver utility interface ensure validity and tablet compatibility, avoiding driver issues that could result from manual file modification. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.